everyone and welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Okay children, today we are going to learn about awareness subject. So before starting with our today's topic, I am going to ask you all few questions. Okay, so all are ready for that? Yes, very good. So after when I will ask you all questions, that time you will be able to know which topic we are going to learn today. Okay, so all are ready? Yes, very good. So the very first question is, when do you brush your teeth? Yes, when do you brush your teeth? Come on, tell me. Yes, very good. In the morning, also before going to bed, that means in the evening. So you have to brush your teeth how many times? Yes, 2 times a day, means you should brush your teeth twice a day. Now the second question is, when do you take a bath? Come on, tell me. When do you take a bath? When you all take a bath? In the evening? No. Then when you all take the bath? Yes, we take a bath in the morning. Very good. Second question is, when do you all wash your hands? Yes, come on, tell me. When do you all wash your hands? Yes, very good. After playing, when you all play outside, when you come back to your house, that time what you all do first? You wash your hands. Yes or no? Again, when you all wash your hands? Before eating food. Yes, and after completing your food, you wash your hands. Yes or no? So children, some activities that we do daily, means that we do regularly to keep ourselves healthy and fit. So these habits, these activities, they are known as good habits. Okay, what they are known as? Good habits. Now good habits means what? Yes, just now you all have answered the questions. Brushing your teeth, taking a bath, washing your hands. So all these activities, they are known as good habits. Why we should follow these good habits? Yes, come on, tell me. We have to follow these habits to keep ourselves very healthy. Okay, along with this, there are some more good habits that you all have to follow to keep yourself neat and clean, such as you have to always wear clean clothes. The clothes which are very clean, that you all have to wear. Okay, you have to cut your nails. You should not grow your nails. You all should cut your nails regularly. Okay, yes, cutting your hairs is also important. Keep short hairs. No keeping, girls can keep long hairs, but boys should keep a short haircut. Okay, also what you all have to do again? You should take a bath daily to keep your body clean. So these are some good habits. These are some good habits. You have to follow them regularly to keep yourself clean and tidy. Okay, now we will see some more good habits in our awareness book. So you have to take out your awareness skill book, page number 6161. You have to open page number 6161 of your awareness skill book. Okay, so see here the very first picture. What you can see here, what the child is doing? Brush your teeth to keep them clean. He is brushing his teeth, right? Everybody, you also brush your teeth daily? Yes or no? Come on, tell me who is not brushing the teeth twice a day? Yes, raise your hands. Nobody? Very good. So you should brush your teeth twice a day. Repeat after teacher. Brush your teeth to keep them clean. Okay, second one is play or exercise every day, means you have to play or do some exercise, okay, to keep your body fit and fine. So what you have to do? Play or exercise every day, means daily you have to play and you have to do exercise also. Next one is have your meals on time means you have to have your meals, have your food on time. Okay, yes, it is a good habit. Next one is wash your hands before and after each meal. Means before having your food you should wash your hands very properly with hand wash, or you can use soap, and even after having your food you should wash your hands neatly. Okay, next one is sleep for at least 8 to 9 hours. Means at night you have to sleep for 8 to 9 hours. Okay, yes. Take a bath every day to keep the body clean. You should take a bath every day. Daily you should take a bath to keep your body clean. Okay, now fold your hands and observe this video.
Good habits. You should always practice good habits. Brush your teeth to keep them clean. Play or exercise every day. Have your meals on time. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Sleep for at least 8 to 9 hours. Take a bath every day to keep the body clean. Do not waste water. Do your homework regularly. Eat healthy food. Help around the house. Be polite to others. Keep your surroundings clean.
So have you all understood what you have to do? The very first thing is
brush your
teeth to keep them clean. Yes or no? Daily you have to brush your teeth. Play or exercise every day. You have to play and do some exercise every day. Next one is have your meals on time. You have to have your meals, you have to take your food on time. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Before and after having your food, every time you have to wash your hands. Sleep for at least 8 to 9 hours. Means you have to go to bed early at night, and minimum 8 to 9 hours you have to take sleep. Take a bath every day to keep the body clean. See here how the child she is taking bath. Yes or no? To keep your body clean, you should take a bath daily. The very important thing is do not waste water. Taking a bath means you should not sit for a longer time in water. Okay? You should take minimum quantity of water which is required, and you have to not waste water. You should not waste water. Do your homework regularly. Okay, whatever teacher is giving you the homeworks, you have to do regularly. Today's homework you will not do tomorrow. Yes or no? Today's homework you have to complete it today only. Eat healthy food. What is mean by healthy food? Having fruits, vegetables, salad, roti, sabzi. This is all healthy food. Means it contains lot of amount of nutritions. Okay, the nutrients which are required for our body to become healthy, that all are included in healthy food. So you should always eat healthy food. You should not eat junk food like pizza, burger, noodles all the time. Okay, sometime it's okay, but you should always eat healthy food only. Help around the house. You should help the people which live around your house. Okay, means you should keep a helping nature with everyone. Be polite to others. Whenever you are speaking to your friends, neighbors, relatives, any other people, So you should be very polite. You should not shout at them. Okay? You should speak them very politely. Okay? It is a good manner, good habit. Next one. Keep your surrounding clean. You should take a proper look in your surrounding. Wherever you all feel something is means misplaced or dirty, you should immediately clean them. You should throw them in the dustbin, and you should take care of your surrounding. Okay? So have you all understood? Yes, children, what things you have to do in good habits? Have you all understood? Now you have to take out the next page of your textbook. Page number 6 to 62. Some more good habits are like, do not waste water. Repeat after teacher. Do not waste water. Do your homework regularly. Means daily you have to do your homework. Eat healthy food. No junk food. Only you should eat healthy food. Okay? Help around the house. Help the people, those who are living around your house. Be polite to others. You should not shout at your friends, any other. Okay? So you should be very polite whenever you are speaking to someone else. Okay? Keep your surrounding clean. Okay? You should take care of your surrounding and you should maintain cleanliness. Okay? Turn the next page. Now here we have to do practice. Take the good habits and cross the bad habits. Now teacher has told you about the good habits, so you all are knowing it. Okay? Now we will see some more good habits and bad habits. What are good and what are bad? See the first one, playing video games. Playing the video games. It is a good habit or bad habit? Yes, of course it is a bad habit. So you have to cross mark. It is a bad habit. Playing with video game is bad habit. Second one, sleeping on time. Means sleeping on proper time is a good habit or bad habit? Good habit. Yes. If you will sleep on time, then in the second day you can get up early in the morning. Yes or no? If you will sleep late, then you will wake up late in the morning. Right? So it is a good habit. Sleeping on time is good habit. Next one, using mobile phone while walking. Whenever you all are walking, at that time you all are just using your mobile phone. It is a good habit or bad? Yes, it is a bad habit. You should not use your mobiles while walking. Playing in the evening. Playing in the evening, morning, it is a good habit. Yes or no? Morning, some children they play in the morning, they get time, and few children they get time in the evening, so they go to the park, garden and they play. So playing in the evening is a good habit. Okay? Brushing teeth, it is a good or bad habit? Yes, it is good habit, but you should brush your teeth twice a day. Okay? Wasting water, you can see the bucket is full and the water it is getting wasted. So it is good habit or bad habit? Bad habit. Always you should save water. You should not waste water. Okay? Fighting with friends. Fighting with your friends, it is a good or bad habit? Bad habit. Yes. So you have to cross mark. You should never fight with your friends. You should be very friendly with them. Okay? Yes. So have you all completed? Done? So students, which topic we have learned today? Yes, we have learned about good manners. So you have to inculcate this good manners in yourself. Okay? So what are the good habits? Tell me fast. Yes. First one is, which we have seen in our books. Come on, tell fast. Brush your teeth to keep them clean. Yes or no? Play or exercise every day. Have your meals on time. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Sleep for at least 8 to 9 hours. Take a bath daily to keep your body clean. Okay? And what again good habits I have told you? Do not waste Water. Yes. Do your homework regularly. Eat healthy food. Help the people around you. Okay. Be polite to others. Whenever you all are speaking with others, you should be very polite. Keep your surrounding clean. In this way, you have to promise me that you are going to inculcate all these good habits in yourself. Okay. Have you all understood what are good habits? Yes or no? Okay. So I hope that you all have enjoyed our today's session. So meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.